Samida. Welcome to this video, Qi Gong for stress. Now, Qi Gong has been used to deal with stress for thousands of years. So let's just start by leaning forward just a little bit onto your, what we call the Yong Chung points, and then tapping 2 inches below your belly button is called your lower danjon. That's where your power, passion, creativity comes from. And just gently shaking the body as you do this. Maybe a little shake in the head. Start to bring your mind down into your lower danjon and pull that stress out of the body. You've got the power, the passion, the creativity to get rid of the stress. So just shaking it out of the body, tapping down into your lower danjon. Leaning 1 degree forward, just connecting a bit more deeply with the earth. Closing your eyes, take deep breaths in through your nose and a big sigh out through your mouth. Sighing helps to get the stress out of the body. That's why we sigh naturally, get the stress out of the body. So nice deep breaths in, don't be shy with your sigh. And a big breath out. Just going to do this for a minute or so. Keep focusing your mind, bringing it down into your lower danjon. Big sighs out. Keep breathing deeply into your lower abdomen. You want to reset your nervous system. So come back into the parasympathetic nervous state, your rest and digest. Stress releases cortisol and adrenaline into the body. Not good for the body for extended periods of time. Good news is 1 Qi Gong class, 1 hour, will drastically reduce the cortisol and adrenaline in your body. You can do live classes at the Bright Beings Academy. You can do is click the link around this video and take you through. Less than £2 a class. Amazing. Live class, live instructor, me. Okay, gently tap in your lower danjon. Keep focusing. And now bring your hands up to your solar plexus. This might be a little bit sore, and just underneath the rib cage, might be a little bit sore here. This is where your sense of self comes from, your willpower. This tends to get very blocked, so we want to release that. Nice deep breaths in again, and big sighs out. Keep shaking the body, very gently, shaking the body as you're doing this. It's rather shamanic, if you think about it. Just underneath the rib cage, just tapping out that solar plexus. Again, just another minute or so. If it feels really sore, don't hit it too hard, but you should be able to tap quite firmly, as firmly as you can without hurting yourself. You should be able to tap quite hard. But if it's sore, take it easy. Don't really strain yourself. This really helps get stress out of your body. We don't want any more stress in the body, right? Sighing out. Get it out. Are you feeling the difference in your body now? I hope so. Focusing on your body where you're tapping. If there's sore points, just tap around them, clearing all the negative energy, getting rid of that stress, and then just up and down on your sternum. Keep shaking the body just a little bit. Up and down on the sternum. Thymus gland, so important. Hormone distribution. Really important gland. This might be a bit sore as well. I remember when I first started doing this was very sore here, so just tapping. Nice deep breaths into your lower abdomen. Big sighs out. Just keep sighing, keep sighing. You can do this. You can do this. Big sighs out. Shaking the body very gently. And then from your sternum, just sweeping down. Keep bouncing on the knees, sweeping down, and then just shaking out the body. Nice deep breaths in again. Big sighs out. Notice how your body feels now. You feel all the tingling around your torso. All that new energy coming into the body, getting rid of the old energy, the old stress. Now just imagine flicking that stress out of your fingertips as you shake your hands. Shake your shoulders, shake your hips, shake your knees, shake your wrists and elbows. Shaking out. Leaning 1 degree forward into your Yong Chung points. Stimulating, it's called the spring of courage. Your kidney 1 point. Gives you more stamina for your body, so just gently shaking out. Nice deep breaths into your lower abdomen. And breathing out. Keep shaking it out, shaking it out. Nice deep breaths in, nice deep breaths out. And let's go a little bit deeper with the kidneys now. So it's just gently stopping, making two fists. Notice how the body feels, and then just twisting. Transfer the weight just a little bit across the body. Tapping your kidneys. We'll do 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Now up to the ceiling, just tapping underneath the collarbones, beginnings of your lung meridian at the outside of the body. When we get to 10, we go ha, like a big cough, yeah? So cough out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ha! Take a deep breath in. Feel the tingling all through your upper body, breathing out. Now bring your mind into your heart, pulling that noisy head into your heart, breathing in. We are actually heart-based beings. According to the Heart Math Institute, it's the biggest electromagnetic frequency of our body is our heart. So breathing in, pulling that energy from the head into your heart, and then the fire energy into your lower danjon. So breathing in, everything is relaxed now. Breathing out, just feel the energy pulsing around your body. Breathing in, breathing out. A couple more times, breathing in. Feel the cool air coming up through your nose and the warm air coming out through your nose. It's water up, fire down. It's a major principle of this practice. The brain works best when it's cool. The lower abdomen works best when it's warm. Now, the kidney meridians. Sorry, the liver meridian. Breathing in. Stretch out the sides and then breathing out, slowly coming back down. Breathing in. Feel that little stretch on your sides there. And then breathing out. Really open up the body, breathing in. Feel that stretch on your sides as you reach up to the ceiling and breathing out. Really stimulate that kidney meridian. Gallbladder meridian is also on the sides here. Breathing in, breathing out, which activates before you go into a fight. So let's soothe that meridian as well, mainly the kidney meridian, to help you process your stress better. Breathing in, breathing out. Just feel the body opening up, breathing in. Breathing out, breathing in. Really feel your body starting to open up and tingle with new energy coming in. That's the mitochondria working to bring new energy into your body, clearing all the old energy. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Breathing in. And breathing out, stepping out a little bit more with your right foot. Your right hand is in front of your face. Sorry, left hand in front of the face, right hand by your lower danjon. Take your weight over to your right leg and then breathing in, twisting across the body. So the weight goes onto the left leg and then a long, slow, deep breath out. As you twist back around, it's called parting clouds. So just imagine just clearing all that stress now. Parting the clouds of the stress. Parting the clouds mudra. Breathing in, breathing out. So long, slow, deep breath in. As you transfer the weight across your body, everything's starting to slow down now. The more you calm the mind now, it's been busy, tapping, frenetic. Now we're calming down, coming down into this beautiful space. Breathing in. breathing out. Breathing in, keep moving, always moving. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Now your right hand by your right hip, your left hand goes over the top, drawing the rainbow. Scooping through the water. And then draw the rainbow, breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Everything is slow. Feel that weight transferring across your body. As your mind comes into your body more, you start to calm, start to center, start to feel more at ease with what you're doing. Stress starts to dissipate. Forgetting about what you're stressed about. You're now focusing in the moment, which is you're in these beautiful, soft, water-like motions of your body, which helps to ease the stress. You can do this. This is really easy if you just practice. You practice Qi Gong regularly, you do reduce the cortisol and the adrenaline in your body. Scientifically proven, it's not me just saying that. Now switching. The right hand goes out to the side and now scoops through the water and then draws the rainbow. Feel that beautiful sway across your body. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Out, breathing in, and breathing out. Okay, bring your feet back to shoulder width apart. One last exercise. Your left hand in front of your lower danjon, your right hand in front of your upper danjon. As you breathe in, your right hand pushes out and your left hand comes up the center line of the body. And then breathe out, switching. Now we're slowing right down. Now picture water up, water coming up from your kidneys, fire down, fire coming down from your head, clearing the head. Picture water up as your hand comes up and the fire down as your hand goes down. So you get that beautiful energy circulation in your body. Our ancestors knew this, water up, fire down. Now we know it because our brain works best when it's cool. And the gut works best when it's warm. Water up, fire down. So when you breathe in through your nostrils, feel the cool air coming in. Long, slow, deep breath in with the nostrils. And long, slow, deep breath out as you breathe out. Breathing in. And breathing out. When you get really good at this, you can start to feel your chakra system up the center of your body. You can feel the energy vortexes coming out of your body. Practice Qigong. We do Qigong every class online here. Every Thursdays and Sundays. You can start to learn to feel the energy around your body. It's quite amazing. Okay, then dropping both hands out to the side, we'll clear, take a deep breath in, pulling that heat, the final vestiges of heat out of your head into your heart, hands over your lower danjon, close your eyes, let yourself rock and sway like a piece of bamboo in the wind, bring your feet together very slowly. Just remember this place now. If you can remember this place, you can snap your mind back here quite quickly with just a few Qi Gong moves, a few deep breaths, a few gentle flows, and you can remember this. Use the amazing body that you have. When you use the amazing body that you have, you can deal with stress a lot easier. I want that for you, I'm sure you do as well. So just let yourself rock and sway, eyes closed. Contemplate on what you've just done. And then take a deep breath in. And then breathing out through your teeth, leaning forward. And just take the heat out of the head. Breathing in, coming back up. And breathing out. Breathing in, coming back up. And breathing out. Breathing in, coming back up. So don't forget to check out the Bright Beings Academy. We have live classes every week, twice a week. Look forward to seeing you there in the live classes, or check back into the YouTube channel and check out the videos. There's loads of stuff here with Qi Gong to help you get back to where you need to be as a human being. So I look forward to connecting with you very soon. Until then, be well and keep shining. We say Kamsahamnida.